this is the AKA Beast, and today we're doing the sour challenge. So I got some black deaths from Mr. Sims shop. Mr. Sims, yeah, Mr. Sims sweet shop. And yeah, you have they're like, I think, the world's most sour sweets. And yeah, so I'm gonna try and eat them without grinning and not laughing and just not making any faces. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Oh. Yeah, I grinned. No, I can't do it. So I grinned like 5 times. It's really, really sour. And my tongue is sore, but kind of tastes good, like lemon. Okay. And if you want to get them, they cost $1.50 for a packet. There's like 12 in one packet. My throat was sore. It's really, really sour. This is how it looks. And then this is how they look, but like I chewed it for a second, so now it looks like that. Not that sour now. What the hell? It's bubbling. Oh look. Can you see that? Probably not, but it's bubbling. Very good. It's really, really sour at first, but then it's kind of lemon. Can you hear that, guys? Or not? Okay. Really sour. I'll try to bite it. Can you hear it? Oh yeah. This is what inside. Oh. It's good right now. And guys, tell me what kind of challenges you want me to do, and I'll do them. Just don't do any painful challenges for me, because this was painful and I don't want any more painful challenges. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.